Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm doing a little experiment for a fellow commenter slash hopefully subscriber. I'm going to be using the Axminster Thicknesser. I've been trying to get the snipe out of it, so that's what I've been trying to do, but he's also asked can I use it without a dust extractor. Now just to point out, this here and this here, all this round here is from using a dust extractor. And I've got this little bit of wood here I'm going to be using to try and eliminate snipe, and for a wee bit I will not use the dust extractor, and then I'll use it, and we can compare. Okay, I've tried to set it up so you can see as much as possible. So obviously no dust extraction, so you're gonna, can you see that? Yeah, you'll be able to see that there. Probably be the best view, the best lit. Right, as always, use hearing protection. Right, so that's the dust extractor there. That's the floor, and that was just taking wee bits off. But you can see, oh, there. I mean, it builds up in there anyway. I don't have the most powerful dust extraction, and that's the floor there as well. And no, that's kind of me. You still get covered in sawdust, but let's compare it with. I'm going to adjust it some more, and then we'll compare it with the dust extractor. After 2 passes, I'm somewhat covered again. The floor is still covered, but obviously over here is not so bad because we've had the dust extraction. And in the actual unit itself, you can see you've still got these chippings here and all these chippings. Now that could be my dust extractor because it's not the most powerful one, but it is what it is. Having something is better than nothing. I was trying to find one of these cyclone things as well to see if that would help, but to answer your question, yes, you can use it without a dust extractor. Would I use it without a dust extractor? Probably not, mainly just due to the mess, but I mean, you can argue I'm standing in a mess just now anyway. So if you're looking to get Axminster Thicknesser, fantastic bit of kit.